Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or attach file like PDF, PNG, JPG format for on hold order status email notification using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title. And then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see email ID customer on hold order. And then you see file path. So you can add PDF file path, PNG, JPG file path according to your requirement. Now you see. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active. And then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. And then you see payment gateway. We select direct bank transfer. So by default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold, and then enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see order received done. So we select direct bank transfer payment gateway. Now go to Gmail to check. So we are in Gmail and then you see your order has been received. Thank you for your order. It's on hold. Now you see order status and then scroll down, you see all detail and then you see attachment file. So you can add attachment file path in custom code according to your requirement. So you can add PDF file path, JPG file path or PNG image file path. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.